Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me this and asked how they did it. Well, first I just thought maybe the triangles were elongated, but then I thought they might have, and I've already done it and I took it away because I want to draw one from scratch. They used a lens effect called fisheye. I'm almost positive. I'm going to draw an ellipse and hit P. I'm going to draw a polygon with three-sided, which is the triangle. I'm going to hit P. And then I'm going to go and hit T. And then I need to see if I made my triangle big or too little or too big. I'm going to Control D, alternate C, and I rotated it early 24 degrees. And see, I'm a little bit big. So all you have to do is just take your triangle, holding down the Shift key so it'll grow inside. We don't have to have it on the top, but I'm going to go ahead and put it up there. Control D, alternate C, 24 degrees. Control D all the way around. Now I'm going to get rid of my ellipse now, and I'm going to group these together. Control G. I'm going to Control C. No, not Control C. Alternate C. Well, we're really working from the middle, so it doesn't matter. I made a duplicate, and I'm going to rotate it 12 degrees. Well, okay, I didn't make a duplicate. Control D. I don't have to hit alternate C because we're already in the middle. 12 degrees, and I'm going to reduce it to like 85%. Not enough, so let's go 77. That's pretty good. Control D again, and it automatically did it because I hit it on the first try. And that's pretty much good spacing. Control D, and I'm going to go back to 12 degrees and 44%, let's say. Man, I'm a little bit too much. Let's go 42%. And I have found that, now I'm going to go Control D, and I didn't hit it the first time, so I'm just going to move it with the Shift tool. But see, I'm getting at a point where just trying to go back to 0 basically, and I'm going to do one more. See, Control D just does that sometimes. I'm going to call that good. Now I need to group this together, Control G. You know what? It would probably be better to go ahead and make it that color. I don't know if they wanted that color. Boy, I did whenever you can see an arch, tell you what, let's just make it black. It'd be easy. I'm going to take away the outline. And now, because it's grouped together, I can go to Effects, Lens, and Fisheye. Okay, I made a mistake. I didn't have a circle. Draw an ellipse. And you really need to get to that edge or you're going to cut that part of the ellipse off, which I really think they did right there. So I'm going to hold down the Shift key and have it grow. Now I can go to Fisheye and look at that. That's pretty, mine's a little closer together. And you could make it more. Let's go 150. Man, that's really pretty nice. See that, let's go 200. And I know that's not what they're wanting, but that's pretty cool. Now, when you do this, you have to go to, I call it freeze, they call it frozen. Now, every time, and see, it's still got the original. Every time you do this, you have to go to Object, Group, and ungroup it to get rid of that red line. Might be hard to grab, but it's right there if you want to get rid of the outline. Now, almost every time you do this with the fisheye tool, you get a white background for some reason. But it's already ungrouped, so just grab that white. And you can see right down here, and I'm using somebody else's file that sent me this that uses CMYK. That's pretty incredible. That's a good look. It's a little different than theirs because I forced it. Um, it's either ungrouped. So let's group this together. I really like that because now more of the triangles are done. So if we go to the trying to copy that other one exactly, and I think it'll go back to default with the 100. That's more the original. Frozen, object, group, and ungroup. And then it's a little easier to get. I got little bitty peaks on my, that's because if you remember, I didn't have the circle all the way. I was trying to cheat. Shift key, go back to fisheye. And also, this is something you could magnify, same thing, but it doesn't fisheye it and make it round. So there's at 100, that's more like the normal or the original, the one they sent me. Now I need to go up to object, group. Wow. I need to ungroup the whole thing. Okay, ungroup. Probably just ungroup. That's a little bit easier because you can see, whoa, I didn't freeze it. Frozen. Then ungroup. There you go. And still, I'd be willing to bet there's a white bounding box in it. Happens every time. It's not a terrible thing. Since we got it on the group and you see you got white, you could make it blue. You could make it light blue. You could make it red. It's not a terrible thing. It's just the box that came in, that that fisheye effect. Anyway, I hope that answered their question, and thank you for watching.